before that I had a lot of fear, like I'm not that much good at English and they are really good at English, but if they will use some kind of different vocabulary, then what I will do, and that we will record this session, and when that person will upload in their channel, what will people think about me? At that time I was thinking, then I have taken a challenge that I have to take a challenge and I have to talk with people anyhow. Then I started talking with people, and I was feeling after 2 3 conversation I was feeling so happy, and I was not hesitating too much.
Yes,
But to be honest, like 4 5 conversation I was doing at that time also, I had fear, like because I was connecting with different persons. So then after talking with them, like 4 5, more than 4 5, I was feeling little bit confident, and now I'm totally confident.
of course, I can see you're doing well. So may I know, nowadays, what do you do for having better improvement in your communication in your spoken English? Do you do anything else?
I was trying to connect with many people daily, but I left also in between because I already have a lot of pending conversations. So, but these 2 3 days again, I was connecting because this is the last day. So that's why I thought I should at least save, because after that I will be going to be busy in the my life. Like I have to give some exams. So, and then like in between, I will make a solo video. And hi,
Okay.
sir. Good morning. How are you?
Yes. Yes, I'm good. I'm over the moon. Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm also fine. And thanks for asking. So, how is your day is going?
Yes, my day is so fantabulous, I would say. After waking up early in the morning, I took first conversation with one people. That was that was okay. And after that, you know very well, today is Sunday. So I have a plan, to utilize this Sunday over my communication improvement. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. And I think today is the last day of Skype, right?
You're right. Today is the last day we are using this app, and let's see what happens.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
And I'm feeling okay. I have already 30 pending videos.
Oh my God.
I'm using this application only 2 months, but like I when I got to know this application will not work, so I started giving much time to this app. So I have talked many people.
You are a clever person, I would say, because you have already been, accumulated multiple conversations, right? That's great.
Actually, I'm not lucky, I can say, but I'm lucky too, because when I got to know about this application, at same time I got to know like this application will not work for a long time. So many people this
Oh,
using this application. It's been 2 years, 3 years, but I'm using. It's been only 2 months.
mm-hmm. That's great. I think this is not good. It's a quite bad because very, like after having less time of this application, you are going to aware, and when you start using, so you couldn't use that much this app. So it is a quite sad for you, right?
No, but to be honest, I'm feeling bored, like uploading conversation video and not with talking, but I just want to do something different. I just want to make solo video and like kind of blog. I just want to do different things, so it's a good opportunity. Suppose this
Yeah.
application will work for a long, then I will be, like involved in only conversation kind of video. So it's not good, because like what I feel, conversation video, it's easy for me, like only we have to communicate and we have to upload the video, but for making solo video we have to prepare sometimes, and for that we have to read something, and that's really help to improve more, I think so.
Yes, you're right. Especially in conversation, you are not going to do the much hard work like creating any script and talking on. specific topics. No, no need to do like that. Randomly, you are going to have the topics and you start debating on. Okay, this is not to call great improvement in your communication, but if you are going to make solo in such a content, you have to put more and more efforts, right? In order to give
Yes.
better content to your audience, and as
Yes.
well
Yes.
as you are going to more focus on your communication as well, like your weakness, where are you lagging behind, which part is so important for you to improve out. So these are the, I mean, focus you are going to increase while making solo, right?
Yes.
You are
Yes.
right.
Yeah. Right.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah. So that's why I'm not thinking too much, and why I have talked with many people, because I just want to, like get experience, like while talking with people, because I have never talked with people, especially on video conversation. So that's why I was giving much time.
Of course, experiencing like having sessions with a different person. Where are you going to learn like how much better you are into this? And really you are able to communicate with people in future if you meet somebody right face to face like that. So
Yes.
I mean taking your ability while connecting with a different person into the conversation, it's also very important for you and for every learner, right?
Yeah, it's really nice, and when you talk, you can see their body language, how they are speaking, and which kind of question they are asking, and how they are learning. Like they tell about their journey, their place. So we get a lot of knowledge and experience. It's a really nice
Yeah,
experience.
of course. Somewhere it gives us some kinds of pleasure, you can say. You feel over the moon. You feel,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
really I did something, good enough. And you can say this is the opportunity for many housemakers, right? After settle
yes,
out their life, even though they are getting chance to connect with different person because of this kinds of application, you can say, right? And
yes,
languages.
yes. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I have learned many things, like when I talk with people, even they are from rich background, poor background, which kind of problem they are facing, and how they want to make their own identity. So I learned many things after talking with people.
Of course, this is called communication. Communication means you are going to read people, their thoughts, their concept, their opinions about different matters and different areas, I would say. So doing conversation is not that much easy task for anyone, right?
Yes,
You must have the better preparations, right? After connecting, what kinds of questions are you going to raise there, right?
yes, yes,
Many things are you going to learn. You are going to learn discipline, right? Your
yes, yes, very.
principle, I would say, like the way, the which way are you going to raise questions with people, surrounding the people, right? And somewhere you are going to prepare yourself for each interview as well, right?
Yes, yes, you're right. It's really helpful for interview, because like now we are communicating with each other, and they are asking question and we are giving reply, and it's really helpful for, like, if I'm going for interview in future then.
Yes, because the same way, the being are given their interview through the online. So in upcoming time, if you're going to give your interview right through the online way, that time you will not feel any kinds of problem, any kinds of burden while giving your interview. You will be feeling
Yes.
like, oh my God, I'm talking to somebody, like that. You feel like that. Okay, so it will
Yeah,
be
yeah,
quite
you're right.
easy for you to give your interview in a better manner, right?
Yes, you're right, sir. And like when I learned English, like at that time I have not talk on video conversation, but when I given went for job, and I was searching job, and I was giving interview, and I was talking in front of, how to say, like it's like I was talking offline. So it was my first experience at that time. Like I didn't have any kind of like that was my first experience, so I was feeling like hesitating in the beginning. But when I get habitual, like I gave many like interviews, so then I really got confidence, and I didn't have any kind of fear. But now, like after talking, especially on this kind of video conversation, so I'm feeling more confident. This time I will be more confident, and without hesitation, I can give answer uh, to the interviewer and everyone. Like I don't have any kind of hesitation right now.
Yes, it's obvious things you're going to learn how to deal with that after encountering uncountless time the same situation under your life, right? So
Yes, yes.
somewhere it is a quite necessity for you and for every person who are preparing any jobs, any interviews, right? Any. So I'm
Yeah,
really
yeah.
glad for you. Finally, you have taken a lot. You have improved a lot. I can see the way you speak. You are quite confident and not having any, I mean, anxiety over your face while giving your answers. That's truly incredible.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, like when I started talking this kind of video conversation, before that, when I decided to talk, before that, I had a lot of fear. Like, I'm not that much good at English, and they are really good at English. But if they will use some kind of different vocabulary, then what I will do, and that, we will record this session, and when that person will upload in their channel, what will people think about me? At that time I was thinking, then I have taken a challenge that I have to take a challenge and I have to talk with people anyhow. Then I started talking with people, and I was feeling after 2 3 conversation I was feeling so happy, and I was not hesitating too much.
Yes,
But to be honest, like 4 5 conversation I was doing at that time also, I had fear, like because I was connecting with different persons. So then after talking with them, like 4 5, more than 4 5, I was feeling little bit confident, and now I'm totally confident.
of course, I can see you're doing well. So may I know nowadays what do you do for having better improvement in your communication in your spoken English? Do you do anything else?
I was trying to connect with many people daily, but I left also in between because I already have a lot of pending conversations. So, but like these 2 3 days again, I was connecting because this is the last day. So that's why I thought I should at least save, because after that I will be going to be busy in the my life. Like I have to give some exams. So, and then like in between, I will make a solo video, and I don't need to think too much about my channel because of that pending video. So when sometimes when I will feel like I have to upload some video, solo video, then at that time I will record. But it's not like that I will leave English totally. I will just try to make daily at least short videos and solo video, not daily but at least 1 or 2 in a week.
It's okay. Whether are you getting recording option or not over this application, but you can use a screen recording. That way you can take all the seasons from others. There's no need
Mm.
to start recording. Do you know about screen recording?
Screen recording, I know, but in my mobile, like that internal voice is not getting record.
Okay,
I think
so
I have to download some video, but I was not facing a problem here, so that's why I was not going for another option.
it's okay. You have to do some settings, I would say. Like whenever you talk to anybody, whenever you start recording, I mean a screen recording, there you have to enable mic option. Okay, microphone option you have to enable only. Okay, then you will get internal voice as well. Okay.
Yeah, I will try. Once I tried in Zoom application, but it was not getting record. I think my
Yeah,
mobile is a very old version, so that's why maybe there is no option. So, but
it's
it's
okay.
okay. Yeah.
I know that, and I know that like after losing this beautiful application, what will happen next? Hope we will soon get, recording option on Team as well, right? But
Yeah,
it's
I
okay,
think
no
we will
problem.
get that too because so many people are using this application. They will use Team too. But okay, I just want to ask one question. You have uploaded one video on Joho application, so that is working now or not?
Yeah, this application is working, but this application is a private application. There you have to buy. I mean, you have to pay money for that. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, and that application I found personally, and that was a single application where you are going to use on your phone, right? It works as like a Zoom, but the problem is that you have to buy.
Yeah. For practice, we can use Team, right? Whenever we want
Of
to talk
course,
with people, we can connect. Then it's okay. I think we should be happy. Like this is Skype is not going to be work. Why I'm thinking because when this like you will see like suppose every night there is a day also, right? So
yes.
like when this application will not work, you will find for the new way and you will do something different, and that will really help you because suppose it will work for a long, you will make only conversation video, then that is not good for the learner also, not for you also. Yeah, for practice getting experience is good, but if you want to do something different in life, then it's good. I think I'm feeling happy because we have to take a challenge and we should be positive.
Of course, you are right. Of course,
Yeah,
sometimes living in their own comfort zone is not good for upcoming time. This is the same
yeah.
thing. We are in our comfort zone, making conversation only, and we are not thinking something else to do, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, and this is
So
the new way, like to do something different. It's
yes,
opening a new way for us. You
of
know,
course.
like you can see the some foreigner like YouTuber. They are not uploading this kind of conversation videos. They are uploading, like some solo video, like simple basic English, and you can see the so many followers and about their vlogging. So that kind of things we can do. Not
Hmm.
vlogging, then at least solo video we can make.
Yeah, you are right. I'm also agree. Okay, so I think that is enough today. We have
Yes,
done
yes,
it,
yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
And it was
Thank you. Yeah,
great
yeah.
conversation.
Yeah, it was a really nice conversation with you.